A. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Acute myeloid leukemia. Adrenocortical carcinoma. AIDS-related cancers. AIDS-related lymphoma. Anal cancer. Appendix cancer. Astrocytoma. Childhood cerebellar or cerebral. Edit B. Basal cell carcinoma. Bile duct cancer. Extrahepatic bladder cancer. Bone cancer. Osteosarcoma, malignant fibrous histiocytoma, brainstem glioma. Brain tumor. Brain tumor. Cerebellar astrocytoma, brain tumor. Cerebral astrocytoma, malignant glioma, brain tumor. Ependymoma. Brain tumor. Medulloblastoma. Brain tumor. Supratentorial primitive neuroectodermal tumors, brain tumor. Visual pathway and hypothalamic glioma, breast cancer. Bronchial adenomas, carcinoids. Burkitt lymphoma. Edit C. Carcinoid tumor, childhood. Carcinoid tumor, gastrointestinal. Carcinoma of unknown primary central nervous system lymphoma, primary cerebellar astrocytoma, childhood. Cerebral astrocytoma, malignant glioma, childhood cervical cancer. Childhood cancers. Chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Chronic myelogenous leukemia. Chronic myeloproliferative disorders. Colon cancer. Cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. Edit D. Desmoplastic small round cell tumor. Edit E. Endometrial cancer. Ependymoma. Esophageal cancer. Ewing's sarcoma in the Ewing family of tumors, extracranial germ cell tumor, childhood extragonadal germ cell tumor, extrahepatic bile duct cancer, eye cancer, intraocular melanoma, eye cancer, retinoblastoma. Edit G. Gallbladder cancer. Gastric, stomach cancer. Gastrointestinal carcinoid tumor. Gastrointestinal stromal tumor, GIST, germ cell tumor. Extracranial, extragonadal, or ovarian gestational trophoblastic tumor. Glioma of the brainstem, glioma. Childhood cerebral astrocytoma, glioma. Childhood visual pathway and hypothalamic gastric carcinoid. Edit H. Hairy cell leukemia. Head and neck cancer, heart cancer. Hepatocellular liver cancer. Hodgkin lymphoma. Hypopharyngeal cancer. Hypothalamic and visual pathway glioma, childhood. Edit I. Intraocular melanoma. Islet cell carcinoma, endocrine pancreas. Edit K. Kaposi sarcoma. Kidney cancer, renal cell cancer. Edit L. Laryngeal cancer. Leukemias. Leukemia. Acute lymphoblastic, also called acute lymphocytic leukemia. Leukemia. Acute myeloid, also called acute myelogenous leukemia. Leukemia. Chronic lymphocytic, also called chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Leukemia. Chronic myelogenous, also called chronic myeloid leukemia. Leukemia. Hairy cell. Lip and oral cavity cancer, liposarcoma. Liver cancer, primary lung cancer, non-small cell lung cancer, small cell lymphomas. Lymphoma, AIDS-related. Lymphoma, Burkitt. Lymphoma, cutaneous T-cell. Lymphoma, Hodgkin. Lymphomas, non-Hodgkin, an old classification of all lymphomas except Hodgkin's lymphoma, primary central nervous system. Edit M. Macroglobulinemia, Waldenstrom. Malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone, osteosarcoma, medulloblastoma, childhood. Melanoma. Melanoma, intraocular eye, Merkel cell carcinoma. Mesothelioma, adult malignant. Mesothelioma, childhood. Metastatic squamous neck cancer with occult primary mouth cancer. Multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome, childhood. Multiple myeloma, plasma cell neoplasm, mycoses fungoids. Myelodysplastic syndromes. Myelodysplastic myeloproliferative diseases. Myelogenous leukemia, chronic. Myeloid leukemia, adult acute myeloid leukemia. Childhood acute myeloma, multiple, cancer of the bone marrow. Myeloproliferative disorders, chronic. Edit N. Nasal cavity and paranasal sinus cancer, nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Neuroblastoma. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma. non-small cell lung cancer, edit O. Oral cancer, oropharyngeal cancer, osteosarcoma, malignant fibrous histiocytoma of bone, ovarian cancer, ovarian epithelial cancer, surface epithelial stromal tumor, ovarian germ cell tumor, ovarian low malignant potential tumor, edit P. Pancreatic cancer, pancreatic cancer, islet cell paranasal sinus and nasal cavity cancer, parathyroid cancer, penile cancer, pharyngeal cancer, pheochromocytoma, pineal astrocytoma, pineal germinoma, pineoblastoma and supratentorial primitive neuroectodermal tumors, childhood pituitary adenoma, plasma cell neoplasia, multiple myeloma, pleuropulmonary blastoma, primary central nervous system lymphoma, prostate cancer, edit R. Rectal cancer, renal cell carcinoma, kidney cancer, renal pelvis and ureter, transitional cell cancer, retinoblastoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, childhood, edit S. Salivary gland cancer, sarcoma, Ewing family of tumors, sarcoma, Kaposi, sarcoma, soft tissue, sarcoma, uterine, Sézary syndrome, skin cancer, non-melanoma, skin cancer, melanoma, skin carcinoma, Merkel cell small cell lung cancer, small intestine cancer, soft tissue sarcoma, squamous cell carcinoma, skin cancer, non-melanoma, squamous neck cancer with occult primary, metastatic stomach cancer, supratentorial primitive neuroectodermal tumor, childhood, edit T. T-cell lymphoma, cutaneous, C. mycoses fungoids and Sézary syndrome, testicular cancer, throat cancer, thymoma, childhood, thymoma and thymicarcinoma, thyroid cancer, childhood, transitional cell cancer of the renal pelvis and ureter, trophoblastic tumor, gestational, edit U. Unknown primary site, carcinoma of, adult unknown primary site, cancer of, childhood ureter and renal pelvis, transitional cell cancer, urethral cancer, uterine cancer, endometrial, uterine sarcoma, edit V. Vaginal cancer, visual pathway and hypothalamic glioma, childhood vulvar cancer, edit W. Waldenstrom macroglobulinemia, Wilms tumor, kidney cancer, childhood,